Approximately 600,000 people die every year in the United States of cancer. 700,000 people die of heart disease. And chronic disease is an epidemic of monumental scale.
There's too many people that are dying because they don't have the access they need to the leading edge scientists, to the advanced diagnostics, and the next generation therapeutics.
It sounds dramatic, but I was planning my funeral.
I felt like you're shooting myself in the head.
My oncologist at Dana-Farber Cancer Center said no one's lived longer than 3 years.
There's a less than a 1% survival rate.
I was told that my life expectancy was very short.
My doctor originally gave me 6 months to live.
I can't tell you how I'm going to live, but I have a choice of how I'm going to die.
I've been told by the highest authority in the land that I was going to die.
And doctors say I have no right to tell you it's over and give you a time frame.
That's right.
It's over for them, not for me.
I do believe that an individual has the right to at least make an informed decision about what is their best option for anything in life, including treatment of their own terminal disease.
As it stands right now, it could take anywhere from 10 to 15 years for patients to get access to certain treatment.
Why should a patient wait 10 to 15 years when they don't even have 10 to 15 months?
I think it's important for the world to understand TAM is trying to seed and then help propagate a new model.
It's going to have a ripple effect.
The idea of TAM Center started with a question: what if we could put some of the leading scientists in the world, the manufacturers, the inventors, the creators of these leading-edge therapeutics and diagnostics into one location, working side by side with medical doctors, so their breakthroughs aren't so far away from the clinic and the patient? What if we could have the scientists working directly with the doctor, solving these complex problems in a regulatory environment that favored the patient's outcome over the red tape?
We are recruiting the best scientists. We're recruiting the best doctors. We're making the investment in the best technology.
TAM Center is a shiny city on the hill. It's a dream. It's something that has been a monumental thing we're able to actually materialize.
TAM Center has been kind of a hidden gem for nearly a decade now. And TAM is really the first institution in the world at bringing all aspects of care under one roof.
What TAM is doing is revolutionary. It will be in the textbooks in the next 50 to 100 years for making an incredible impact on society.
We're looking to take all of the scientific data, what the scientists are seeing through the imaging, through the testing, all of the knowledge that they've acquired, and translate that information to the doctor.
To understand what we've done and the impact and how it's revolutionary, you really have to look at our scientific team.
The most exciting thing for me to work with TAM Center is a quicker feedback loop between the therapeutics, the effects, and the learning and improvements. It's very exciting because you can give more chances to the patient.
We have Franco Marincola, who is the Chief of Infectious Disease and Immunogenetics for the National Institutes of Health. He is the founder and editor-in-chief of the Journal of Translational Medicine, and he's the co-editor of one of the main textbooks that oncologists use for immunotherapy for cancer.
The TAM leadership are revolutionizing beyond the boundaries, the healthcare landscape.
We have Ali Asadi as our new Chief Innovation Officer. He invented the very first proteomic product using next-generation sequencing. He invented the first FDA-approved pan-cancer 500 gene panel for Illumina. And he invented whole genome methylation. We're not talking about one or two methylation patterns. He invented a way to get all the patterns in the entire genome.
I've run the laboratories for 25 years. We have a lot of technologies that have very different perspectives to the same individual. So what we're offering is the integration of all of these.
Since we are not bounded by regulatory factors, and we are not bounded by having the right tools, the opportunities for discovery in the landscape of healthcare is unlimited.
We have Harvard, Yale, and MIT PhDs, world leaders in bioinformatics, world leaders in computational biology.
Our goal is to be the most advanced diagnostic center for solid tumors in the world.
What TAM is doing is really revolutionary. 16 PhD scientists, all leaders in their field in immunology, cellular manufacturing, genomics, proteomics, digital pathology, working on the same floor with 41 medical doctors.
Having us in the same room builds a bond of trust.
Working with the scientists in the same floor, we are able to discuss with them what we are reading in that moment.
We are closing the bridge between scientists and new technologies and patient care.
They can see our laboratories, they can see our work. They get to know us personally.
Translational medicine, as we see it, is the future of modern precision medicine.
You can get the best genomic data, you can get the best proteomic data, you can get the best methylation data, but we're the first to combine it in a true multi-omic approach.
Multiomics is the comprehensive tools that look at human health at different angles.
They're expanding the different options that a physician has to treat the patient, not just a simple short list.
Multiomics approach for a patient means that you look at multiple factors that are important, but they're not sufficient alone.
And the key is to integrate those views to get the whole picture.
The DNA is the library, the RNA is the book, and the knowledge is the protein.
A multi-omic approach, next generation sequencing, proteomics, methylation testing, pharmacogenomics, nutrigenomics. We're able to get them the exact targeted treatment from the multi-omic information that we produce in-house. Why should you not get as much information as you possibly can about your genomic information? Why should you not get as much information as you possibly can about your proteomic or methylation information? Why should you not have access to the leading scientists in the field to help find and solve the problems of your disease?
We care for our patients, and bringing those advanced tools and advanced talents with very diverse backgrounds enable us to both thrive in diagnostics and therapeutics.
Imagine the impact that we can have for every family that's facing a cancer diagnosis, that feels like they don't have the hope, that's been told to go to hospice or there's nothing more that we can do.
We want to help the people that nobody else is willing to help. We want to go that extra mile to do whatever it takes when everybody else has given up.
We are at the intersection of revolution. The patients are demanding.
It's making the ultimate difference of saving lives. There's nothing bigger than that.